Dear AFCAT aspirants, today we will discuss about a question which has been recently started asking in AFCAT examinations, that is detection of common errors in a sentence. So a sentence is given for which in the different parts are marked as A, B, C, D. In one of the parts of the sentence there is an error. So you have to write the part in which the error is you find, and if there is no error, then an option is there is no error. So these errors are mostly related to nouns, pronouns, adjectives, adverbs, preposition, conjunction. So all these parts of a speech, you should have knowledge about them, how they are used while framing sentences. So article is demonstrative adjective. A and the are called they are called indefinite articles. The is called the definite article. So we will read today the usages of articles. The article an is used before a vowel sound, before a word that starts with a vowel sound, like she is an intelligent girl. So I is the vowel. He is an MP. So although it is MP, it starts with this consonant, but it sounds like a vowel, MP, MP. The article A used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. For example, he is a university student. Although here U is consonant, but we use an before university. University. He is an European. He is an European. A and is used before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time, representing no particular person or thing. He has an axe. She is a liar. A and is used before a singular countable noun which is used as the representative of a class of things or person. A dog is an animal. Here the class is animal. A peacock is a bird. A and used exclamations before singular countable nouns. What an interesting movie. This note of exclamation. What a pretty girl. So here is some emotion is expressed. In that case, we used the article an. Sorry, an and a. Use of definite article the. The article the is used in following contexts. When we talk about particular person or things, or one already mentioned, give me the book which you bought yesterday. Here he is talking about a particular book which he gave yesterday. So you use give me the book which you bought yesterday. The dress you want is out of stock. The particular dress which you are asking for is not in the stock. So we use the dress. The dress you want is out of stock. When a singular noun represents a whole class, like the lotus is a beautiful flower, the cow is economically useful. Before the first noun in noun plus preposition plus noun construction, the Bharat of Ramayana is an ideal brother. The Bharat of Ramayana is an ideal brother. The gold of India is famous. Here we are using noun plus preposition plus noun construction. Before names of mountains, ranges, groups of islands, rivers, oceans, gulfs, deserts, and forests. Names of countries like the Alps, the Himalayas, the Hebrides, the Ganges, the Amazon, the Nile, the Arabian Sea, the Sahara, the Black Forest, the Netherlands, etc. The Nile is the longest river of Africa. The Sahara Desert is the one of the least hospitable regions. Before names of religion, religious or mythological books, the names of newspapers and magazines, we use the before it, like the Vedas, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Hindustan Times, the Times of India, the Statesman, etc. The Ramayana is a sacred book. The Times of India is a well-known English newspaper. Before names of heavenly bodies, directions, and things unique or one of their kind, or one of their kind. The earth, the sun, the moon, the east, the north, the equator, etc. The sun sets in the west. The earth moves round the sun. But the is not used before the words heaven, hell, God, parliament. Go to hell. We don't write go to the hell. He will raise this issue in parliament. Before musical instruments, he can play the guitar. She is fond of playing on the piano. When musical instruments are used as countable nouns, a and is used. We gave her a harmonium. I have bought a violin. Before religious communities and political parties, names of ships, aeroplanes, trains, the words denoting physical positions, we use before these the article the, like the Hindus, the BJP, the Rajdhani Express, the Virat, the top, the bottom, the Rajputs, etc. There is a still now on there is a still snow on the top of the mountain. The Rajputs are brave people. Before parts of body, he was hit on the head. She pulled the cat by the tail. Before an adjective when it represents a class of persons, like the rich should help the poor. The old are respected by the young. Now we'll read about omissions of articles, where articles are omitted, not used. The article a and the are omitted here before names of days and months. She will come on Monday. They are getting married in January. Before names of languages, he cannot speak French. She is learning Marathi. Before names of subjects, like she has no interest in mathematics. Biology is his favorite subject. Before names of diseases, like AIDS is spreading like wildfire. He died of cancer. Before names of festivals and seasons, we omit the article. He will go to Canada in winter. She celebrated Christmas with her friends. In sentence, he will go to Canada in the winter season. In sentences, if about the days of season and holidays, article the will be used. He will go to Canada in the winter season. She went to Delhi in Diwali's holidays, because here it is written Winter is associated, written with season. Diwali is written with holidays. So before names of sports, she plays tennis. We like cricket. Before names of persons, villages, cities, districts, states, and countries, we don't use the article. We omit here. Anjali is a beautiful girl. London is a big city. Before names of meals, they take lunch at 2 o'clock. At 2 p.m., breakfast is ready. A is used when there is an adjective before the names of meals. We use the when we specify. Like, we had a late breakfast today. We are adding here late. So, article A is used here. The lunch I had at the Raj Mahal was nice. After possessive adjectives like my, our, yours, his, her, theirs, etc., nouns in possessive cases, Ram's, lions, this is Rahul's car, this is my book. Before man, life, death, art, science, when these words are used in the widest sense, like man is mortal, science has developed much in past 50 years. Dear friends, these are the few uses of articles, where you use articles and where we don't use articles. So when you find questions based on these articles, you try to keep these things, these rules in your mind. This will help in finding errors in the sentences.